A rustic farmhouse backyard garden design isn't just a garden, it's a retreat, a space to unwind, connect, and enjoy nature's beauty. Imagine leafy trees offering shade, flowers in full bloom, and a sitting area so inviting you never want to leave. Today, we're diving into the best ideas to create your dream rustic farmhouse backyard and sitting area. Let's start designing. The foundation of any dream backyard lies in its layout. Thoughtful zoning transforms your space into a functional and aesthetic masterpiece. Think of a central sitting area surrounded by garden beds and pathways that flow naturally, inviting you to explore every corner. Tall, leafy trees not only provide natural shade, but also create a sense of grandeur. Beneath them, a circular stone patio becomes the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Layering greenery, tall trees, shrubs, and flowers creates a visual journey, making your backyard feel like an expansive paradise. Feature trees like a Japanese maple add structure and depth to your garden, while surrounding them with wildflowers brings vibrant energy to the space. A handcrafted wooden sign is a personal touch that welcomes guests and enhances the appeal of your backyard. For a unified effect, surround it with ivy and ferns. Unique decor objects, such as birdhouses or vintage watering cans, enhance the rustic style while showcasing your individuality. Little accents like a recycled wooden table with sunflowers and shimmering lamps give your outdoor refuge vitality and coziness. Every component works together to create an environment that is exclusively yours, from colorful gardens to comfortable resting areas. For more motivational stuff, like this video and subscribe to *Farmhouse Bliss* if you like these suggestions. Together, let's realize your ideal backyard.